Zoho Workqueue is a new way in Zoho CRM to organize all of your work. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it according to best practices. Zoho has organized all of the work that you need to do into one place, and it's called Workqueue. So you start with My Open Activities with tasks. So you got tasks, meetings, calls, appointments. Instead of jumping into those individually tasks, meetings, calls, now you have it all within one section. I absolutely love this. It's really convenient for those of you who are tired of jumping around different tabs. So you can go over to Mark Completed. It's that easy to mark a task and then go over to your meetings, see what meetings do I have? What calls do I need to are on my plate? What appointments do I have? Then you've got my work queue. So my open activities is related to task, meetings, calls, the things that you need to do or appointments you need to attend. My work queue here is more related to the different records that you are assigned to. So you can see my leads, my contacts, my deals. And instead of jumping from these different tabs here, you can just within one place jump to your different records, the different leads that are assigned, leads assigned to you in the last 3 hours, just to see, hey, what's the activity related to me? What's going on in the system that's related to me specifically? Okay, so you can jump to those records really quickly. Very, very useful to be able to do that. You've got my jobs, and these are related to blueprints. So oftentimes within a blueprint, if you don't know what a blueprint is, it's your way of designing a process and then cementing that process into your organization. I find that blueprints are too strict for most use cases, but some of you still have blueprints. If you have any approvals that are pending there, you can go into blueprints and you can manage that. So that's within the My Job section. You can change these around too. So you'll notice if I click and drag, I can move my work queue above my open activity or vice versa. You can change the way that these things show up. I like having activity up at the top there, but you can change it. You can also go to add a user's view. So you can see not only yourself, but other users in your system, and then it will pop up. You can click on that, and then you can see all of their activities as well. So that's really useful if you're managing other people. You can see what's on their plate, what they're working, but this is now your new home base for getting work done. And that's what I really, really like about it. So in addition to this, I like this update because every time we build a system, we work with stages and steps. There's 2 levels to a system. There's stages. These are stages. They're the general phases of a process. But then within every stage, they are made up of steps, specific actions that need to be, specific actions that people need to take. And so steps are usually tasks, meetings, calls, things like that. Stages are these general phases. So I love that you can see all of your steps now in one place. And then if you need to zoom out so that you can see what's going on at a higher level, then you can go over to this, your Kanban view to see the different records and what stage they're in. And then you'll even be able to, if you want, you can see the next action that's supposed to be taken on that card or on that record from the card view. So very useful. Big fan of Workqueue. That's how you can use it according to best practices.